introduce you to my favorite hang this up device. This is a universal garden tool and a variety of other tools type device. So we're going to show you how to install this. I recommend putting this at 32 inches apart on the stud. So you put it on one stud, and then you're going to come over, just count over 2 studs and run the screws in. Okay, so now we've got both devices hung up, so we're going to start to do the installation process. Okay, sometimes you have other devices in your household stuff that you'd like to organize, and this really works out very, very well. Okay, so that makes a total of 7 devices on that hanger. If you put another set in, you can pick up 14 places to hang tools in a space 6 foot wide and about 6 foot tall.